What is going on, guys? GM Man back here. It's Saturday morning, getting ready to go pick up some front fenders for the 79 build, and then we're going to be going to my mom's house. I have family in town from New York this whole week, so I don't know how well footage and stuff I'll be getting. But my brother's on his way up here right now on the Duramax to pick me up, and we're going to go grab these. So I'll get a little intro here, and we'll continue on the way. So here's my brother. I'll see you guys soon. Well, guys, we finally made it. Got the fenders here in the back after an hour of trying to get over here through traffic and everything else. So we're gonna run into the gas station and grab some food and then head to my mom. So I'll probably keep doing this video. Like I said, probably not much going on since I have family down from New York and stuff, but I'm gonna try and get some action for you guys, and just stay tuned. What is going on, guys? It's currently the next night from the beginning of the video. We got the 79 fenders back, but we're going to jump into something a little bit different on the 98. So I ordered some white LED bulbs for the cluster and some of the other stuff in the cab just to brighten it up. So, I mean, currently you can see it's dark out. I got my door open here. So basically what we're going to be changing on the truck are that yellow light there, as you can see, and then that one over there. I got my phone so you can actually see a little better, and then the cluster lights. Let me turn these on for you so you can see exactly how dim they are. See, the battery one is barely glowing. I mean, it's not very bright. And then sometimes, well, you can see on this side too, they're not bright at all over here where I'm covering up. Excuse me. And then some of the mile per hour through here kind of dim down. So I got bulbs for that, and then I got the ones, well, you can't even see the fan here. The fan that controls the AC and stuff's right there, as you can, now you can see it. But I got those lights too. I mean, you can see these two over here, my fingers are hitting now, but what controls the fan speed, you can't see it all. So I got those lights there, I got cluster lights, and then I got these ones down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and change these ones down there and see what they look like, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay, guys, before I get these changed out, here are the lights, whatever. I ordered them from a guy online or off Facebook. Super nice guy. I believe he's trying to start his own company, but literally all the directions are literally right here. He said you can contact him anytime if you need any help. So basically it tells you how to install them. He said the LEDs can only be installed one way, so if you stick them in and they don't turn on, pull it out, rotate it 180 degrees, stick it back in. He's got the floor lights here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but he says just pull the floor light out, plug the new one in, you're ready to go. And then he sends you all what you ordered. He marks everything off. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. And then he has them in little baggies that say what go where. So cluster light, and then floor light, then the HVAC, which is the heating and air control and all that. So I just figured I'd show you guys that real quick. So basically, I don't know how well you guys will be able to see up in here, but here's the light. You just grab it and pull it out, and then same with that one. So I'm gonna shut you guys off real quick, and then I'm gonna pull that out and bring you guys back. Okay, guys, well, as you can see, you can actually see the floorboard now on both sides. Those LEDs are so much brighter. If you don't follow me on Snapchat's seen it first, so go over there and you can see a before and after. Yeah, it's so much better. All I did is basically grab those pliers right here, and I just reach up there, grab the old bulb. Pretty sure these ones are burnt anyway. Yeah, they're starting to get a little black on the end. But I pulled that out, stuck them in there, and they're a lot brighter. I'm gonna do the cluster tomorrow morning because I got to pull this dash bezel and everything off. Undo, I think it's 5 bolts. There's, I believe it's 5 bolts, but I believe there's 4 in each corner of the cluster. So you have top and bottom this side, top and bottom that side. And I think there's one right in the middle up here that I have to undo, and then I'll be able to pull the cluster out, unhook the cord from the back, and then change those LEDs over. Same with the HVAC here. So I'm going to do all that tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Stay tuned. Okay guys, well we're back. I got those lights put in down there as you guys seen from previous or last night. It's the next day. So I'm going to take this cover off, pull the cluster out, and then do the HVAC here. So basically what I'm going to have to do is turn the key, drop down to first, lower the steering wheel, and then this whole piece just pops off like so. And then there, like I said, there'll probably be 4 or 5 bolts in this, 2 up here, maybe 1 in the top, and then 2 over here. So I'm gonna get this whole thing pulled off, and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, we got this all changed. My buddy Mitch came over and helped me. Got all the bulbs switched out in these, and then the HVAC I'll show you guys later tonight. But a bigger question is this is his, what year is this, 10? Yeah. His 2010 Cummins, and he's looking at different wheels for it. It's a 4-door long bed. He's got a 5-inch exhaust on it, EGR delete already. And he's either thinking Moto Metal 962 chrome in an 18x10, or pull up that picture on your phone real quick. Or these, I believe they were fuel hostages. And I want you guys to let him know what he should do. Or something like this. Oh, maybe. Something like that black and chrome machine look. So, you tell him in the comments what you guys would think looked good. He's got a leveling kit on it already. Like I said, a 5-inch exhaust, EGR delete. Is that all?
I mean, it's got an HS programmer, obviously, but that's it.
And then the programmer. So he's looking at wheels and tires next. So, like I said, let him know what you guys think. He wants to stay nothing too crazy. He wants it to stick out just a little bit, like out here just a tad. Nothing like a 20x12 or something. But leave what you guys think down in the comments, either the chrome or the black look. And yeah, so I'm the GM man. I'm signing out, and remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'll catch you guys again.